Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a screenshot using OBS Studio. If you've ever wanted to quickly capture what's happening in your OBS preview window, maybe to share an awesome moment from your stream, grab a thumbnail, or keep a record of a specific setup, this tutorial will make it effortless. By the end, you'll know the fastest method to snap a still image right from OBS, saving it smoothly to your computer. So let's get started. One of the best things about OBS Studio is how streamlined it is for common tasks, and taking a screenshot is no exception. You don't need any complicated plugins or extra software, and there's actually a built-in shortcut to do it in a flash. What you'll want to do first is make sure you're inside OBS Studio and have your scene set up in the preview window, just like you'd want it to look in the screenshot. The preview shows exactly what will be saved. So if you have overlays, webcam, gameplay footage, or any custom graphics, arrange them now so everything is in place. Think of it like framing a photograph. The preview is your canvas, and you want everything just right before you snap the picture. Now, here's where it gets super simple. OBS Studio comes with a default hotkey for taking screenshots, Ctrl plus F12. So what you're going to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while you're holding that, press F12. Just like that, OBS will capture a still image of whatever's visible in your preview window. You might wonder, where did that screenshot go? Well, OBS is smart about this. It saves your screenshot directly to your default recording path. That's the folder where OBS records videos by default. So if you've changed that location in settings, your screenshot will be right there. If you haven't looked at your recording path before, don't worry. You can double-check by going into your OBS settings, clicking on the Output section under the Recording tab, and seeing what folder is listed. It's helpful to know where your files end up, especially if you're capturing a bunch of images for different streams or projects. Now, a quick tip. The screenshot will include everything shown in your preview. So if you've got missed alignment or a pop-up you didn't intend to catch, you'll want to fix that before hitting the hotkey. Also, this process works even if you're not actively streaming or recording. You're just grabbing a freeze frame of your setup as it looks right now. Sometimes people ask, can I change that hotkey? And yes, if Ctrl plus F12 doesn't feel comfortable, or you want to use a different combination, you can customize it in the OBS hotkeys settings. But for most folks, that default is quick and easy. And that's really all there is to it. Taking a screenshot with OBS Studio is honestly one of the fastest things you can do. No need for third-party grabbers, no window switching. It's all built in, a single keystroke away. So, next time you need to grab a snapshot of your stream layout, gameplay moment, or intricate overlay design, remember, just set up your preview, hit Ctrl plus F12, and your screenshot is saved. Super easy, super reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It helps out the channel and lets me know you want more guides like this, dudes. Got any questions about OBS Studio or want tips for other features? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.